This is the 4th new model Defender to arrive today, and again, it's great spec. Santorini black, Land Rover Defender, 240 brake horsepower, 110, but it's got beautiful spec. It's got gloss black wheels, it's been colour coded, it's got a heated steering wheel, it's got a panoramic roof, side steps, privacy glass, all the things that people want. It's only done just over 2,000 miles, £59,990. Now, with the car being black, let me just show you what's happened. They've had these sections done, so they've all been colour coded, so it makes the front of the car look it looks very stealthy, doesn't it? You've got the badge in, and it just gives it more of that mean look. Again, 19-inch gloss black wheels, side steps, privacy glass, black roof rails. Let's move on inside. Again, let me point out the extras. So obviously, the new interior system on a new Defender is fabulous anyway, but options on top, that's what people always want to know. This car's got the cold weather package, so we've got a heated steering wheel, you've got heated washer jets, you've got a sliding panoramic sunroof, which for me, that is my favourite extra, because I just think it brightens the whole car up and makes the car just feel lovely inside, especially when you've got a black interior. You've then got all your other standard features. So we've got your camera system, which is fabulous. So you've got a reversing camera with the top view, with the 3D off-road camera as well. You've then got your heated seats, and then you've got your new Land Rover touchscreen display with your navigation, your iPhone settings, just as up to date as you can get, DAB radio, all them features. But the car, what also is lovely, if you look inside here, they've followed the black, so we've got the black round the outside, and they've also put that on the door card, so it's colour coded inside, which I think when the car's black, just little things like that make the difference. Again, just to give you an idea of the space of these cars, they're so spacious, bags of room, all the different charging points, and you can see now with that sunroof in the back, it just brightens the whole car up. And I've said it in the past, they're great cars. My wife's got one. Great to drive, loads of space, look so up to date. You've got these lovely new style LED cubed lights at the back. Great boot space with it being the 110. It's also got air suspension, so there's a button there if you want to drop the car, so you're putting a dog in the car, and you can adjust all the driving settings. But that car is priced on the money like they all are, £59,990. It looks really well with it being colour coded. It's got the heated steering wheel, it's got the pan roof. It's going to get bought today.